Unveiling the Mysteries, a book lover's journey. Are you ready to embark on a literary adventure? Today, we're diving into the pages of 5 captivating books. From thrilling mysteries to historical epics, mystical romances, sci-fi spectacles, and cosmic adventures, we've got something for every book lover. Join me as we explore the worlds of The Last Echo, Empire of Dreams, The Garden of Forgotten Souls, Past Quantum Hearts, and In the Shadow of the Moon. The thrilling mystery. First up, we have The Last Echo by Ellen S. Smith. Set in a small town, this mystery thriller promises a suspenseful tale filled with secrets and intrigue. Imagine the tension as a chilling event echoes through the community, leaving everyone questioning what lies beneath the surface. Will the mystery ever be solved? The historical epic. Next, we're transported back in time to the early 20th century with Empire of Dreams by Aria Black. This historical drama promises a sweeping narrative filled with grand adventures and personal struggles. Picture yourself amidst the turmoil of the era, witnessing the rise and fall of empires and the lives of those caught in the crossfire, the magical romance. Now let's enter a world of enchantment with The Garden of Forgotten Souls by Mara Lee. This mystical romance invites us into a magical garden where love, loss, and the supernatural intertwine. Imagine the beauty of the setting and the emotional depth of the story as characters navigate the challenges of their hearts. The sci-fi spectacle. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the realm of science fiction with Quantum Hearts by Dr. Theo Chalmers. This thought-provoking novel explores the boundaries of human consciousness and technology. Picture futuristic scenarios, mind-bending concepts, and philosophical questions that will leave you pondering the mysteries of the universe. Shumshis, the cosmic romance. Finally, we're embarking on a cosmic adventure with In the Shadow of the Moon by Julia Thorne. This romantic tale is set against the backdrop of a lunar expedition. Imagine the thrill of space travel, the challenges faced by the crew, and the blossoming love story amidst the stars. That concludes our journey through these captivating books. From thrilling mysteries to historical epics, mystical romances, sci-fi spectacles, and cosmic adventures, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to share your thoughts on these books in the comments below and recommend your favorite reads. Until next time, happy reading.